Welcome to the TASKA PowerCore Fabrication Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process for fitting the TASKA PowerCore system. Please follow these steps carefully to ensure safe and accurate fabrication, installation, and use. For detailed instructions and warnings, always refer to the TASKA PowerCore Clinician Guide available at taskaprosthetics.com. Failure to do so may cause damage to users, the system, and could invalidate the warranty. Fabrication materials shown in this video may differ based on clinician preference, unless specified. Firstly, let's go through what's in the TASKA PowerCore system box. The PowerCore switch, available in black and sand and batteries, will be installed in the final socket. The mains charger is used to charge the system. Please remember to give this to the end user. The battery lamination dummies can be used to ensure there is sufficient room for batteries in the prosthesis. The power switch lamination dummy is an important part. Use this to create the recess in the outer socket laminate that the retention frame and PowerCore switch will be installed into. The template sticker is used to help form the correct size and shaped hole for the retention frame. The retention frame comes in two different sizes, 2mm and 3mm, depending on the thickness of the socket's laminate. The retention frame installation tool is used when gluing the retention frame in place. The Superlube synthetic grease must be used when installing the power switch to assist with forming the waterproof seal. Let's begin with the positioning and mounting of the battery lamination dummies. Step 1. There are two lamination dummies included, each representing one of the two TASKA battery cells. Choose your desired position and mark the perimeter on the model. Before finalizing placement, consider the cable length in relation to the battery and, more importantly, the power switch positioning, ensuring there is enough length for proper fit and clean routing between the wrist, battery, and cells. Ensure the batteries are positioned so they can be removed and replaced during service. Step 2. Carve out the model to fit the battery dummy in the marked position or positions, minimizing sharp edges to prevent punctures in the lamination bag. Step 3. Mount the lamination dummies to the model. Join two lamination dummies together using double-sided tape if mounting the battery cells in the same position. Position and mount the power switch lamination dummy. The power switch lamination dummy will form a recess in the outer socket laminate that allows the power switch to sit flush with the surface of the socket. Step 1. Mark the perimeter of the lamination dummy in the desired position on the model. Step 2. Carve out the model to fit the lamination dummy. Matching the depth of the dummy is key to ensuring a smooth transition between surfaces and resulting in a quality finish. Step 3. Mount the lamination dummy to the model. Do not cover the outer surface of the lamination dummy, as the nodules form dimples that help with alignment during future stages. Avoid positioning the power switch where it could be easily caught on clothing or external objects, and ensure it is easily accessible so the patient can clearly see the on-off switch and LED indicators. Final lamination. During lamination, take care to squeeze out any excess air or resin from the power switch dummy recess. Be careful not to tear the release liner during this step. Power switch opening and retention frame selection. Correct alignment between the opening and the recess formed by the power switch lamination dummy is critical to achieving a robust and waterproof fitment of the power switch. Step 1. Look and feel for the alignment dimples created by the power switch lamination dummy and mark their location. Step 2. Grind through the marked locations to expose the alignment holes, then pierce the hole center. Step 3. Apply the power switch template sticker by aligning the center marks with the alignment holes. Step 4. Roughly cut out the center of the template sticker without cutting through either of the guidelines. Step 5. Using a grinding bit, carefully widen the hole until the edge is between the two guidelines without cutting into the outer line. Step 6. Select either the 2 or 3 mm retention frame based on the laminate thickness. Test the fit of the power switch and retention frame and widen the hole incrementally as required. Step 7. Check that the retention frame seal is properly engaged and the power switch clips in. The sealing lip should sit proud of the lamination. Forcing the retention frame into place could deform it, resulting in the power switch not fitting into place or a compromised waterproof seal. Install the retention frame. Gluing the retention frame correctly into the socket is necessary to avoid compromising the waterproofing and robustness of the power switch. Step 1. Roughen the bonding surfaces of the retention frame using sandpaper. Also roughen the inner surface of the socket near the retention frame to promote a strong bond. Step 2. The retention frame installation tool is required to clamp the retention frame onto the socket while adhesive cures and to protect the sealing faces from excess adhesive. Clip the selected retention frame onto the installation tool. Carefully apply one of the recommended adhesives in the IFU, ensuring the coverage is thorough. Failure to do so can compromise waterproofing. Step 3. Gently insert the retention frame through the opening and pull upwards into position. Step 4. Close the installation tool to clamp the retention frame into place. Wipe off any excess adhesive on the socket exterior using isopropyl alcohol or appropriate cleaning product. Allow 1 hour for the glue to cure before removing the installation tool. Install the power switch. It's important to lubricate sealing surfaces before installing the PowerCore to maintain a reliable waterproof seal. Step 1. Lubricate the sealing faces on the power switch and retention frame with the synthetic grease provided. Step 2. Insert the power switch into the retention frame cable side first, then press down on the charger side to clip it in place. Step 3. Press the power switch down firmly around the outside to ensure the seal has engaged properly. Wipe off any excess grease with a soft cloth. The power switch can be removed by pressing firmly from the inside of the socket. If a tool is required, avoid using one with sharp edges. Install the battery. Finally, install the batteries, referring to the IFU for our full set of warnings. Take care not to bend or pierce them during installation, and please remember to charge the system before initial use. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide to fabricating the TASKA PowerCore system. We hope this video has been helpful. For ongoing reference, please use this video alongside the IFU, and if you need further assistance, contact us at support@taskaprosthetics.com.